Hi, I'm Kelly here with Deborah today, who had just had her floors done by Express Flooring. How you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Good. First off, thank you for having me today. I wanted to ask you, how was your experience with your design consultant who came into your home?
It was awesome.
Oh,
We
great.
told him what we needed, our price range, and he pretty much worked with that, and it didn't take long at all. We're really happy with him.
Great, great. And I see your floors turned out absolutely amazing.
Yes.
Really nice.
They look really good.
And how did you come up with the color pick? Just to blend into the home?
Actually, to be not too light because the room is light, but not too dark.
Right.
And just kind of a mid-tone that would cover up foot traffic perhaps. And I think this is a perfect color.
Yeah, no, it did turn out really, really nice.
Yes, it did.
And then how were your installers who came in?
They were actually a little early, which is fine.
Okay.
Early is better than late.
Yes.
Quick and easy. Cleaned it all up. I mean, it was just boom, boom, boom. It just everything from beginning to end was so quick. From the quote to the scheduled install to the finished product. I mean, went really quick.
Super great. That's really neat. And then, how was your overall experience with Express Flooring?
I'd have to say completely positive.
Oh, great. Great. And then, would you refer your friends and family to Express Flooring?
Oh, I sure would.
Oh, great.
I sure would. It was, like I said, it was quick and simple, and he asked us our price range instead of telling us it's going to be this and this and this and this.
Oh, good.
What are you looking at? And then he worked with that, and
oh, that's super amazing.
So we're really pleased.
Oh, super great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for having me today, and you have a great rest of your week, okay?
We will. Thank you.
Thank you.